Ubayy ibn Ka'b radiallahu anhu, he was once with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ya Ubayy, O Ubayy," he says, "Inna Allah amarani an aqra'a alayka al-Qur'an." Allah has just commanded me to read the Qur'an to you. And in one narration, Surah Al-Bayyinah, Allah has commanded me to read the Qur'an to you. Now Ubayy radiallahu anhu says, and there are a few narrations, he says, Allahu dhakarani? Wait, Allah said me? Allah said me, almost like out of shock. Allah told you to read the Qur'an to me? And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Na'am, yes. And he said, ذُكِرْتُ عِنْدَ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ? You mean I was mentioned with the Lord of the worlds? Like Allah said, Ubayy, like I want to make sure this isn't a general gift that's been given to you, or Allah didn't just say, read to the person closest to you. You mean me, Ya Rasulullah? Me in particular? And the Prophet ﷺ mentions, نعم بِإِسْمِكَ وَنَسَبِكَ فِي الْمَلَأِ الْعَالَى. By your name and your lineage in the presence of the Most High. Allah speaking in the presence of the closest angels to Him, above 7 heavens, says or sends a message to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam